Hey, the AOPA Fly-In in Norman, Oklahoma is just a few weeks away. It's on September 8th and 9th. There's a lot of great things to do in Norman, but there's also an amazing opportunity to learn about aviation weather. AOPA Live's Paul Harrop joins us now from the National Weather Center, where there will be an all-day workshop to help pilots understand the science of the sky.
Here at the National Weather Center in Norman, the greatest minds in meteorology are hard at work doing things like weather radar research, studying our atmosphere, producing convective outlooks, and preparing an intensive workshop to help pilots understand weather even better.
This building behind me, the National Weather Center, represents...
From the second this video by legendary meteorologist Gary England welcomes you in the door, you know you're someplace special. The National Weather Center is Mecca for the weather nerd.
The National Weather Center is a one-of-a-kind facility. It is the only National Weather Center in the galaxy.
Located south of OKC on the University of Oklahoma campus in Norman, it's home to many agencies that keep people aware and safe when the skies turn dark.
We have examples like the National Weather Service that are providing local advisories, watches and warnings for counties in Oklahoma and Texas. We have a National Center, the Storm Prediction Center, that's issuing all the severe thunderstorm and tornado watches for the continental United States.
Plus, the research that is headquartered here is working to save lives by gathering data and developing new technologies. You'll be able to see the Smart R mobile radar trucks and the National Severe Storms Laboratory's field research vehicles. Now that's a sweet storm chasing ride.
Well, weather is a really important thing to aviation. And a lot of people think that they have a good idea about meteorology, about the weather, but there's so many small things that go into how we put together a forecast and how we do the things that we do on a day-to-day basis. And so getting the opportunity to work with these professionals, learn from them, you're going to pick up on so many new things that you probably never knew existed.
The Friday workshop here at NWC will be packed with tools you can use to stay safe, presented by the best in the world.
If there was a Mount Rushmore for meteorology, there's a lot of people in this building that could arguably be on that Mount Rushmore, and you'll get the opportunity to interact with those folks here at the workshop.
You know, it really is kind of like the Mount Rushmore of meteorology. The greatest minds of the science work in this building behind me, and there's a couple opportunities for you to choose from to get a chance to see them in person during the AOPA Fly-In to Norman. One, you can just take a tour of the building, which is really neat, and I would highly recommend it, or you can spend all day Friday in our workshop learning from these weather experts about aviation meteorology. In Norman, Oklahoma, Paul Harrop, AOPA Live.
Thanks, Paul. Pre-registration is required for that workshop. Head to aopa.org/flyin to register and check out the rest of the activities at Norman. The tours of the National Weather Center will be on Friday. There is a nominal charge for transportation to and from the center. Sign up at the information tent there at the Fly-In.